It's raining and there is no cloud. Like, this is not a rain cloud. This is a rain cloud. Okay, this is a rain cloud, but over here where I'm standing, there's no cloud. So where is the rain coming from? Maybe from there, which is weird. And it's so beautiful today. The weather is so nice and I'm loving this gorgeous, peaceful sunset. Look at that. If I dim it, this is how the camera is showing and this is how my eye is watching, you know. The eyes has a different lens and the camera is like here. It has a different writing kind of lens. So beautiful. So beautiful. It's like it's never enough for me to capture this. So peaceful, so nice. And the green grass, clouds, rain. Today is the most ideal weather in UAE.